If you're in the process of finding out what solar purchasing option is right for you, this video is your guide to understanding a solar power purchase agreement, or a PPA. Here at the Energy Professor, we want to give you the information that you need to not only save money on your energy bill, but to also become more energy efficient. We hope you find this video helpful, so be sure to check out our solar tool in the description below to calculate how much you could be saving at your address by switching to solar panels. All you need to do is enter your home or business address, select your property type, then select your estimated average monthly electric bill, and that's it. Our tools will calculate the upfront cost after incentives, 20-year benefits, tax incentives, the total 20-year savings, and how many years it will take for you to get paid back from installing your panels. You will also be able to see the savings no matter if you're looking to buy, lease, or loan your solar panel system. You can get all of this, plus a free quote over at theenergyprofessor.com. A solar power purchase agreement is a financial arrangement in which a third-party developer installs, owns, and operates a solar panel system on your property. With a PPA, you agree to purchase the electricity generated by the system at a predetermined rate, which is usually lower than your local electricity rate for a contractually specified period of time of around 10 to 25 years. This allows you to benefit from solar electricity without the initial upfront cost and maintenance responsibilities of owning your own solar system. This makes it a more appealing option for those looking to manage their energy consumption effectively. First, let's take a look at the pros of a PPA. Number 1. Zero initial investment required. Number 2. Consistent energy pricing safeguarding against market fluctuations. Number 3. Boost your eco-credentials by being solar powered. Number 4. No worries about system performance or operational hiccups as the solar provider handles maintenance and performance issues. Number 5. Immediate positive cash flow from the beginning. Number 6. A tangible showcase of your commitment to the environment. Number 7. Significant reduction in carbon emissions, helping you lower your carbon footprint. Number 8. Bolstering the local economy and championing job opportunities in the energy industry. And number 9. A potential surge in property value due to solar integration. Now let's go over some of the cons of a PPA. Number 1. Often involves intricate negotiations. These negotiations can possibly cause higher transactional cost compared to directly purchasing the system yourself. Number 2. Dual electricity billing scenarios if the solar installation doesn't cater to 100% of the property's energy usage. Number 3. An uptick in property taxes following any reassessment due to increased property value, affecting overall cost savings. Number 4. Restrictions imposed by site lease agreements, hindering potential property modifications affecting the solar power system efficiency or access. And number 5. Essential comprehension of Solar Renewable Energy Certificate, or SREC, ownership and sale trade-offs. Along with a PPA, homeowners also have the option to lease their solar system. Let's compare these two financing options to help you better decide which one is right for you. The primary difference between a solar lease and a solar power purchase agreement lies with how the customer pays for their solar energy system and its output. The three identifying factors of a solar lease are payment structure, where the customer pays a fixed rate to lease the solar energy system from a third-party owner. The energy usage, where the monthly lease payment will remain the same regardless of how much electricity the system produces or the customer's energy consumption. And its cost predictability. It offers predictable monthly costs, but it does not directly tie payment to the amount of electricity generated. Now, in the core setup of a power purchase agreement, you have a payment structure where the customer pays the electricity generated by the solar energy system at a predetermined per kilowatt-hour rate. You also have the energy usage, which is where the monthly payment varies based on the actual amount of electricity the system produces. And your overall cost savings, where the per kilowatt-hour rate is usually lower than the local utility rate. This can lead to savings on your electricity bills. If you're looking for more ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. Thank you so much for watching, happy savings, and we'll see you in the next video.